Hey guys, as your YouTube channel grows, it's a lot easier to manage if it's a brand channel versus a personal channel. A brand channel will allow you to assign managers to assist you in the day-to-day operations of the channel. It'll also allow you to give people access to the channel without giving them access to your Google email account. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a brand account, and it's coming up right now. So in the upper right hand corner, if you'll locate your channel icon and click on it, that will open up a drop down menu, and click on the settings link there. Okay, from this page you'll see your channel icon again in the center of the page. Just below that you'll see create a new channel. Click on that link and that will open up the page where you can actually create your brand account. So choose your brand account name, type it in the box. Once you've got that typed into the box, you can click the blue Create button. And you've essentially created your brand account at this time. Here you can see the name of this one is YouTube Brand Demo Channel. It has no subscribers. And if you click the icon in the upper right hand corner, you notice it's different than the personal channel icon was a moment ago. Look at switch account. We can see both of them. You can see the personal channel still has its 1 subscriber, and the brand channel just above it has no subscribers. To learn how to transfer all of your data from your personal channel to your brand channel, to include your videos, your subscribers, your views, and your comments, click on the video above, and I've got it linked in the description below. If this video was helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe.